What's going on, guys? Today we're looking at the Spigen Glaster. It's like they were trying to write Glasser and then they wanted to write Glaster, so they put a little T in there. I don't know how you're supposed to say that. It's a glass screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'm hoping that this is going to be an easy fit indeed. I hate screen protectors. I hate installing these things because I always mess them up. And I'm hoping that this little gadget here is going to make this easier. I tend to gravitate towards screen protector kits that have those little things that are supposed to make this easier. So you're going to see me do this pretty much in real time unless, something goes horribly wrong and I need to edit around it. But you know what I mean. By virtue of that, you should see exactly how easy this is to do. It looks like we have two different kits here. So there's a screen protector in both of these. Some sort of little pamphlet here probably has some stuff to prepare your screen, I would imagine, yes. So first off, we have this non-slip pad, and I actually like the idea of this. So you're supposed to put your phone on this non-slip pad so that, go figure, it doesn't slip around. Now, I am on a mouse pad, so that's probably not going to be necessary for me, but we'll do it anyways, and I'll show you here. Yeah, that's doing a pretty decent job of keeping it from sliding around. Second thing we got to do is the cleaning wipe. So we're going to grab one of our cleaning wipes. This is a dual kit, so there is two of everything that isn't obviously reusable. Alcohol pad. Now they don't mention this, but they do have a little microfiber you're going to want to kind of dry it back off with. And then we have these stickers that you can peel off to remove any additional dust. Let me see what mine looks like. I think I'm good. I don't see any dust on there. So now you've got your little tray and you're going to peel this off. That's going to reveal this sticky part for this. And once that's done, I think you just stick the thing straight on there just like you see here. So one last look to make sure I don't see any dust. We're going to do our peel and you can see top versus bottom. That sticks it in place, which is great because it's going to fit exactly as it's supposed to. It says here to kind of press and slide, and it says wait 30 seconds. So we will do that. I'm just going to pause and we'll pick back up after 30 seconds. Okay, that was 30 seconds. And it says we can peel from here. That should remove this sticker off of the back. And we should now be able to remove this thing, and the screen protector is now in place. Only looks like just one bubble on the entire thing, which is crazy if that's actually how that's going to go. You can now peel off this protective film, and guys, we are done. And I gotta tell you, that might be one of the most foolproof installations I have ever seen. There is not a bubble on this thing. Absolutely pristine. It says here you can use this little scraper thing to like push bubbles off, but I don't even have any to push off. That was absolutely brilliant. Let's look at a couple of other things. So doing your back gesture, it feels very smooth. Some of the cheaper screen protectors are often kind of rough and sharp on the edges. No problem with that there at all. Feels fine. Now I am using a thin-borne aramid fiber case, so we do want to kind of do a quick case test here. Does this fit over the screen protector? And at least in the case of this thin-borne, you can see perhaps right there where the boundary is, it is fitting perfectly as if it was made to be used with this case. That's absolutely brilliant. Guys, I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I hate doing screen protectors because they always blow up in my face. If it's a 2-pack, I often end up needing the 2-pack. I often end up needing both shots at this. But this went really well. I honestly highly recommend based off of that installation. Let's take a look at the Amazon listing. We'll talk about how much it costs. So as you can see here, I did purchase this with my own money back on July the 25th. It is $19.99, which is, I don't think, too bad considering how well that went, how easy that was to install, and the fact that you do get 2 shots at it if you have some sort of issue or some sort of mistake made. Really quite pleased with this. So guys, I am going to drop an affiliate link in the description down below. So if you click on that link and then you make a purchase on Amazon over the next couple of days, I think maybe the next 24 hours, I do earn commission off of that. It's a great way to help support the channel. If you're looking for a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 6, I think this is going to be the one for me. That's going to be the one that's going to stay on my device. Super easy installation, really nice and smooth feeling. Doesn't seem like it's picking up fingerprints too rapidly either, which I really, really like. Like I mentioned, it's not got that rough edge that some of them have. Really quite pleased with that. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content just like this, and until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.